The Fendt Vario 936 Black Beauty is a unique version of the Fendt series tractors manufactured in Germany by Fendt, an AGCO company. This model of the 900 Vario series is equipped with an engine with up to 355 horsepower and a continuously variable transmission (CVT) system that provides superior performance in the field. It also features a sophisticated hydraulic system and is capable of lifting large loads both front and rear, making it extremely versatile for a variety of farming tasks. The tractor cab provides comfort thanks to air conditioning and heating, making the workplace pleasant for the operator. The unique black design combines advanced functionality with style and gives the tractor an elegant look.